In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to play Outnumbered by Dermot Kennedy. The first thing we need to do is drop the D string down to a C. So if we drop the 3rd fret on the A string, that's a C note, and we can use that as a reference to detune our D string to. We're going to start this song with an F bass chord. Got 1st finger, low E string, 1st fret, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, the G. We're going to play those 2 notes together. And we're going to play the open D string, which is now a C note. So then back to the low E string. I'm going to repeat this pattern exactly the same for a 2nd time. So 2 together, D, low E. And we're going to move it up here to the 8th fret on the low E and 9th fret on the G. This is going to be like a C chord. Same picking pattern. I'm going to do it 3 times. And a final G string on top. So far, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, high G string on the top there. Then we go down to a G. This time we do slightly alter. So for this G chord, we're actually going to change the voicing a little bit. So the 3rd finger on the G string at the 4th fret is going to stay where it is. I'm going to swap the 1st finger on the low E for the 2nd finger, and the 1st finger here is going to grab the 2nd fret of the D string. Now the picking is exactly the same. So we have E and G together, then D, and then the low E. I'm going to play this twice. Then we're going to move up to 5 with the 2nd finger on the low E, 5 on the G with the 3rd finger, and then 4 on the D with the 1st finger. This is an A minor bass chord. Picking is exactly the same. This time we do it 3 times with the high G string as the last note as well. So just from the G chord, twice through there. Then up to the A minor. 3 times with the high G on top. So in total we have the F, we'll run through the pattern twice. The C, run through the pattern 3 times with the G on top. Down to the G with the alternate fingering, run through this twice. Then to the A minor shape with the alternate voicing as well, 3 times with the G on top. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.